In this video, we will be seeing how to do subtotal. So before doing subtotal, we need to sort the data according to how we want. For example, we want the subtotal via like building and status. Then first you need to select from building. We need to sort according to the building. So how to sort, we have seen in the last video. Just we can select entire data range and then go to data. In that you can see the sort. In this first level, you take it as building and then give OK. Before that, you want subtotal for status also, add one more level and then give status, then give OK. Once you sort the data, then go to outline. Can you see this subtotal? It is also in data bar. Subtotal, click on the subtotal. Here you need to have a subtotal based upon the building. Just you select the building and then we need sum, then just give OK. You can see the subtotaling. The second level, you want to do the subtotal. So similarly, once again, go there, subtotal. In this second level, what do you want? We want from the status. Here, there is something called replace current subtotal. We don't want to replace the current subtotal, so untick it. So then give the OK. Now, can you see this? See first the main total, and then we want to view this. When I click this 1, grand total comes. When I click 2, subtotal comes like this, and the 3, the main total, all those things comes, and then if I give 4, for example, then how to remove this subtotal? Go to outline and give the subtotal. Here you remove all, automatically comes to the original one. I hope this video is useful. If, you can view my YouTube channel for the more data, more videos. Thank you, Kumaravel Kadai.